Hi, and welcome to the HT2 channel. This week we are going to revisit the top 10 tips for reopening your offices during the COVID-19 pandemic. So sit back, relax, and get ready for this week's session. Welcome back to the HT2 channel. I'm Kelly, and I will be walking you through today's video, wherein we will cover the top 10 tips to consider when reopening your business or organization during the COVID-19 pandemic. This should be pretty short and sweet, as we will be covering the top 10 tips at a very high glance. If you would like a free copy of our top 10 tips, please contact us directly to access your copy. Before we get into the top 10 tips, we wanted to share CDC's 3 golden rules for spread prevention, which are 1, wash your hands frequently, 2, maintain social distancing, and 3, wear masks when in the presence of others, particularly if you are yet to be vaccinated. We suspect these recommendations will change over time, but for now, they are still being recommended on CDC's website. Now, back to the tips. We created these top 10 tips months ago, and they still hold up to current recommendations. So we encourage you to consider the following when you reopen your offices. Of course, we would also recommend that you consider your own needs and adjust your plans accordingly. Here are the top 10 tips for reopening during the COVID-19 pandemic. 1, stay informed. 2, develop health screening measures. 3, develop procedures for when employees become sick. 4, mitigate exposures. 5, require PPEs and provide hygiene supplies. 6, communicate. 7, educate, model, and check in with staff. 8, cleaning and sanitization. 9, limit entry points. 10, limit travel and modify community practices or commuting practices. We recognize that the list is pretty simple, and we would encourage you to reach out to get the full version that outlines steps you can take for each tip category. So if you are thinking about reopening your offices, contact us to get your free PDF version. You can download the tips from our website at www.ht2consulting.com or contact me at kelly@ht2consulting.com, and I will personally send you your free copy. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you will take the tips we shared and make sure that your colleagues and you prevent the spread of COVID-19 in your workplace. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to get the latest videos. Until next time, have a safe day.